Assalamualaikum students. This is Dean Cambridge School System and I am Hadi Jilani. Today we are going to learn maths. It's our lecture number 9. And in this lecture we are going to learn the number 6. We are going to learn the number 6. And we have to learn the spells also. So what are the spells of number 6? These are S, I, X, 6. And what are these, students? These are umbrellas. These are umbrellas. And how many umbrellas are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 umbrellas are there. Okay, students? We have to trace the number 6 in this way. Okay? And we have to practice the previous numbers also. And the previous numbers are 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay? In this sequence, from 1 to 6, you have to practice all the numbers with their spells. Okay? We will meet tomorrow with our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.